Obviously, it's been a while since I posted something because I've had a lot of other projects going on that don't pertain to cars and automobiles and all that stuff. But this is the cab corner on that 78 Dodge truck. It doesn't exactly fit perfect. Down here, right here, you can see where the body line comes down, so I'll be making a new little piece for this right here. And over here, right in through here, I had to redo the bead right there, the body line, because it was way off. So as I get this all welded in here, hopefully tomorrow after work, been working a lot of overtime, 7 days a week. That's why I haven't been in here. Plus, built a deck for the missus, and we put a privacy fence up for the son-in-law and his wife. So we're gonna get this going again here. Cut you back in as I weld it. It's gonna have to be a cut and butt, and I might have to right here go ahead and slice this a little bit to make these right, because you see them from the inside too, so there'll be a little bit of body work on the inside and outside. So that's it for now.